So guys, this was the analysis I did for you guys previously, and I told you all that GBPJPY will definitely give us another bullish move. And guess what? We will be expecting that bullish move to come to tap our resistance, right? And markets did exactly what we predicted it to do, and it is also doing it. So has it finished doing it? Absolutely yet, not yet. It has not yet finished doing it. So that is why if you are new and you have not subscribed, right, make sure you do well to click on that subscribe button. Also click on the bell notification. So once I drop an update, instantly you would get the update and you would not miss out on that update. So in order for you not to miss out on that update, all you just need to do is click on that subscribe button right now, like and share. Now let's see what we will be expecting for the day on our GBPJPY. Let's start with our trend on GBPJPY. You all know before you take a trade, you would want to know the trend for that trade, and it is very clear that GBPJPY is an uptrend move. Now this is the I on GBPJPY. Here comes the higher low. Now this will be seen as your higher high, and here comes the higher low. This will also be seen as your higher high, and here comes the higher low. This is also seen as the higher high, and here comes the higher low, right? This is now seen as an higher high, and market did an higher low here, and within this higher low, right, the market is also ranging. So you can see that market is ranging. So this is one of the reasons why we would need to go zoom it in and see what market is doing and trade with what market is doing. We all know that saying, which is trade what you see and not what you think. So what can we see? Market is literally ranging. So we can see that market first came to this high and we had the rejection that made it drop. Market eventually came back to this high again, which now serve as our resistance. Market made it, drop. Now market is now heading back up to this resistance. This is one of the reasons why I said a bullish move is what we'll be expecting on JPY that should come to tap our resistance level. And with the way market is doing and the way market is moving, I believe markets will eventually break out of this resistance level. So guys, be very watchful and be very careful that a possible breakout from our resistance level is very much possible. So have it in mind that there's a huge possibility and there's a strong possibility that markets will not only come to tap this resistance level, it will most likely going to break above it. So a bullish move is still what we'll be expecting for the day for on our GBPJPY. If there will be any changes to this movement that we just done, I'll make sure I let you guys to know. In order for you not to miss out on any updates, click on that subscribe button now.